Hello and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. This week I want to talk to you about Wolverine keys and why we should no longer be holding our keys in this fashion as a form of self-defense ever again. So Wolverine keys means a lot of people carry their keys like this in between their fingers. This is what I mean by Wolverine keys. Now I'm demonstrating it with my car key because when I hike I don't carry all my rest of my keys just for weight. I just carry it really light, so I just have one key. But you know, maybe you're not hiking, maybe you're walking to the store or your car, you have your whole set of keys. And people will put them in between their fingers. And I'm going to advise against that for a couple of reasons. First reason is if you're putting your key between your finger, that you're probably then planning on punching someone. Well, I don't teach punching with Girls Fight Back. I teach heel palms because heel palms keeps you as safe as possible when you're striking. Because the majority of us are not trained fighters, we maybe don't have a lot of fight experience, and using your hand in a heel palm keeps you as safe as possible because you're using a broader part of your hand, less likelihood of you breaking your hand or getting injured. And also, a heel palm can be done by anybody regardless of your ability level, your athletic ability, your experience, your size, any of those things, okay? So that's the first reason why I say no Wolverine keys. So the second reason is if you have your keys in between your hands like this and you do punch someone and you punch, where do you think this key is going to go? If it touches resistance, it's going to cut back into you. So it can cut back into your skin, into your hands, into your tendons, and that can cause blood and pain and just not good things. So instead, I'm going to advise you hold your keys like this, okay? Because then if you strike someone, there's less likelihood it's going to go back into your hand and cause any sort of pain to you. So no Wolverine keys. Instead, hold your keys like this. Now, I am not advocating for this because I don't advocate for weapons. I don't carry any weapons myself when I am out for self-defense reasons. I advocate for education. So I know that there's people who want to hold on to their keys in such a way that they feel safe. So I want you to do it in a way that is going to be safest for you.